Yes, this is going to be one of my favourites of the trip. Rona's just over there behind the tree, but this is what we're doing.
Thôi luôn thôi. Thôi mà nữa. Làm. Thôi mà. Thôi mà nữa. Không. Không không. Một năm rồi nhập à.
Lighten up, take me on the magic river. Tell me all your dreams are lying. Shine me up, tell me about
Just preparing the elephant's food.
together and you do all body, trunk, waist, leg, you can do anywhere. You get marking elephant like a spa massage or do some street for elephant. Okay, everyone, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, everyone, you take it.
Not much we can do. It's pouring rain, but there is an elephant behind us, and it's kind of cool to see him so close up. We get to play with him in a little bit if it stops raining. Are you looking forward to playing with the elephant?
Yes.
And washing the elephant?
And feed them.
And I don't think the elephant needs a bath now. Okay, let's wash the elephant. Hello.
I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn around. Oh yeah.
Rubbing mud on an elephant. Who would have thought it? Oh, he wants it rubbed on his legs. The elephant wants it rubbed on its legs.
Sometimes since you fixed me, I'll never forget your time.
Who's doing yourself?
Oh my god, I got the door.
We're not scrubbing enough.
Now it's stopped raining. We take the top off so I can get a better video with the elephant. I haven't got any. Nothing. Thank you.
Go there.
Thank you. Rowan is super enjoying being with the elephant. It's a girl. It's a girl.
Good girl. I'm sorry.
That was quick.
You want?
You give him a
You want me
banana.
to-
Give him a few bananas.
Oh, now you want mine. Oh, you're a good girl. I don't think they feed them around here, do you?
There's
Here.
none. Finish.
Here, Joe.
We're going to wash the elephant now.
Someone's leading our way.
Oh, stop. Time to wash an elephant. And the water's cold.
Mà Nguyễn, Nguyễn. Mà em. Bác đi ơi.
I tried to get on through the house. I tried to get the number
Cái
to
đằng.
you.
Làm lắm mà. Nín. 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 Nín, nín. Trời ơi. Nín. Nín, trời anh.
That's my friend.
Yeah, well. Oh.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Oh. Right.
You ruin it.
Why?
You ruin it.
No, that's cool. You want more?
It's the one who keeps splashing us.
Yeah, I should
I
throw
wanna
them
give
away.
him.
No, throw one of it. That's right, I'll give it to him. This one. Come on. Go over there, go over that one.
Ska even eten? Geef het aan die andere.
Last. Last? Yes, I got one more. Last for the elephant. One more. That's it. Thank you. No? No? So how was that, your experience at Krabi Elephant Care House?
It's cool and I love it.
Is that the best thing we've ever done so far?
Yeah, I really enjoyed today.
I did too, that was amazing. What an experience.
Actually smart. They're actually smart.
And mischievous.
It's not the elephant, I think.